ignore the mess. I'm doing laundry and I look bad, but I'm too excited to not show this. I've started the painful yet amazing purchases. This is the first purchase. I'm excited. I can't wait to buy everything and have it get here. Right now, it's December 30th. So yeah, I'll update you as I go. It's January 3rd. I have the next item. It is the emulator battle station gaming desk. And let me tell you, it looks super cool. This is what I've been working with as my setup. There's my bed, dresser, chair. I'd use this chair, sit in it, and play right here. So my microphone is USB, so I plug my USB into my laptop, and then I use my headphones. This was a before. Can we talk about that before? I can't wait for the after. Dog's just sitting there. Hi.
The cradle's profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yes, I understand all of this. Mom. So we have the desk and monitors set up. We don't have everything, just the desks and monitors. Cable management is a little everywhere right now. Let me turn my overhead on. This is what it looks like right now.
Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the light.
So I've done a montages of everything, and I've talked about everything of what I have. but I haven't told you exactly what specs I have, so I'm gonna do that. So my setup is quite the setup, so I've been told. I know nothing of PCs, so pardon if I say anything wrong. Starting off, first thing first is the monitors I have. I have two Asus VG24 VGs. They so far have been amazing, and the quality is amazing. They are 144 Hz, 1 ms refresh rate. Next up is the mouse. I have the HyperX Pulse Fire Surge 16K DPI. It is amazing. The colors are so smooth and I love the mouse. Next I have my keyboard, which is a Red Dragon K582 Serrara Mechanical with red switches, which I don't know if you can hear that. That's not even me clicking all the way, that's just me tapping them. Love it. Next part of my setup is my mic stand. I did not have one. I had something that sit on my desk and I figured, hey, mic stand, why not? So I have this mic stand, it's basic. The mic I have, I already had, it is a Blue Snowball. And then the filter. I knew I was not going to have enough USB spots, so I got a USB extender, which I currently have two things plugged into that I have on. Lastly, for the thing that I got off of Amazon, it is my webcam stand. It is a basic webcam stand just to hold you guys, and on it is my Logitech C922X Pro streaming webcam. Last but not least, the amazing beast itself is my actual tower. In my tower, I have the NZXT H510 in a white, which is the case. It's beautiful. Inside of it, I have the NZXT Kraken M22, which I believe is the cooler. I have a Gigabyte B450 Oryx Pro Wi-Fi, GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, AMD Ryzen 3700X 8-core 3.6 gigahertz. It includes 650 watt bronze PSU, which I've been told was not the best I could have, but it could work with what I have. It also includes a Team T-Force Vulcan Z 3200 megahertz, 16 gigabytes, to 8 gigabytes. Take that as you will. Next is I have two SSD that are 1 terabyte. And then obviously, this is a pre-built. This is what was included in the NZXT pre-built streaming PC at the time I got it. And of course, it comes with Windows 10. It's the next day, and I can finally say I'm already in love with this setup. The computer runs my games so smoothly, and I can play GTA with 140 to 180 frames per second. Everything's so smooth, everything's amazing. Like, I've never had this type of quality, so I'm like in love with it. And now I'm just watching 2 streams, and oof, I love it all. Hi! I didn't think I'd be making this, as you can tell. I'm not really dressed for this, but I figured I'd do a little update. It's January 30th, and I've been using the computer a lot. I'm actually on it right now, recording this, and I was watching a live stream, and then I was editing before I started making this. I wanted to say it's been a road trip with this. I've had some issues, but it's not the computer's fault, it's just software being annoying. The only thing I can complain about is that sometimes my monitors, I can't click the start button, it won't let me, so I have to restart the whole computer because I can't click it. And if I click my Windows button on my keyboard and I search something, I can't click what I searched. So I don't know if that's a monitor thing or a PC thing, but it works after I restart my PC. Everything is going amazingly. I haven't had any other issues besides that. Besides one point, I had an issue with my microphone software, but that's not the computer's fault, that's Discord. But overall, I've loved the computer. I hope this sounds good actually. And yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys are doing fantastic, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye! Okay, out of that whole entire video, I don't think I even really mentioned anything at all. Quality is amazing. Games run smoothly, fantastic. I'm glad. There's no buffering, no issues. Yeah, okay, I don't know what to say. It's actually bye now.
Start up on your monitors.
Yeah, buddy! Okay. It's November? Is it power? Is this a sensor? Is it a button? Is there even batteries in it? No. Whoa, my god! You need to move down a shelf. Not falling. Base, look at that. Sex joke. That's good. Next. Charge. Yeah, buddy. Oh, well, you don't even have to pull on anymore. Yeah, buddy.
Now your left hand's higher. There.
I'm so geeking out. Yeah, buddy. Now for the fun part. Cleaning the room up.